Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I printed a knife. So let me take out this printer and then we can go over to the desk and build it. Cool. Okay, cool. So I cleaned up the prints. As you can see, there's three parts: the blade, spring system, and of course the casing. Cool. So now what we're going to do, we're going to build the thing. Cool. So you guys want to start by, you take the blade, okay, and then you'll see there's a part that has a notch that comes out. That goes in first. Like that, and then you guys just want it to move about, just to move it a bit forward so that you can take your spring mechanism, and I'm facing with all the parts facing down. You're going to just line it up and slide it in. Let me just do that quickly and then I'll be back. Cool, so that is it assembled. Just make sure when you guys are putting on the spring system that the springs are loosened and that they can actually move up and down in their slots. Otherwise you might end up breaking these two clips here like I did, so I had to print this twice. But yeah, so you can see it does spring up, and that's it. So thanks for watching guys, see you guys in the next one.